Do you like fried chicken, but hate the idea of driving to a fast food place, only to wait in some long drive-through line and come home with cold, blandless tasting chicken? Well, if that sounds like you, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you in this video how you can make it at home yourself. Okay, we're only going to need a couple ingredients, starting with buttermilk, all-purpose flour, lemon, pepper, cornstarch, and last but not least, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Step 1, get a large mixing bowl, pour some buttermilk in there, dump in your seasoning. In this case, I'm using lemon pepper. You can use whatever you want, and give it a good stir. Next, take your chicken thighs and dunk them in the bowl with your buttermilk seasoning mixture. Cover the bowl with saran wrap, put it in the fridge and let it marinate. Overnight would be best. I only did 2 hours because I was really hungry and couldn't wait. Okay, it's been about 2 hours. Before I take the chicken out of the fridge, I'm going to get a separate mixing bowl, put some flour in it, some cornstarch, and my lemon pepper seasoning, and give it a good mix. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. Take that marinated chicken out, dunk it in the bowl with your cornstarch, seasoning, and all-purpose flour mixture, and plop it on a wire rack. Let the chicken rest on the rack. Take out a cast iron skillet and fill it up with oil. I'm using a mixture of canola oil and corn oil. The only reason I'm using a mixture is because I ran out of canola oil. Fill the pan just shy of halfway with oil. Remember, it's going to rise when you dump that chicken in. Start to heat the pan on low for a few minutes to avoid any potential thermal shock issues. Then kick it up to a medium heat. We're going to want that oil temperature to rise to about 350. After researching different fried chicken recipes online, I came to the consensus that the proper temperature of the oil to fry a chicken thigh in should be 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep in mind that the oil temperature is going to drop each time we put the chicken thighs in it. Alright, looks like we're just about at temp, so it's time to start frying. I will be doing these in batches of 3. I have 8 thighs, so 3, 3, and 2, in order not to crowd the skillet. Also, I'll be monitoring the temperature to make sure that we're maintaining 320 degrees throughout the cook. Total cook time per batch will be 12 minutes, and every 3 minutes we'll flip. Some final thoughts that I'd like to share. The end product was amazing. In between each batch, I did wait a minute or two for the oil to heat back up to 350 degrees. After taking the chicken out of the fridge, combined prep time and cook time is about an hour. Although not a total pain in the Humpty, cleanup and what to do with all the leftover oil was a bit annoying. You could either strain it into a container and reuse it, or go the route I did, which was to funnel the oil back into the empty canola container and throw it in the rubbish bin. Leftover chicken still tasted really good the next day when heated in an oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes on a wire rack. And that is it. If you've enjoyed this content, don't be coy with that like button and subscribe for more fantastic content.